Jake here for American Trucks, and today I've got this Aeroskin Hood Protector in matte black for the 2015 to 2020 F150, excluding the Raptor. Now, adding a hood deflector is one of the best and easiest ways to protect your F150's paint, and this Aeroskin Hood Protector provides a sleek, low-profile design that looks cool and adds some extra armor to the front end of your truck, all without breaking the bank. Now, if you've ever had something fly up and hit the front end of your truck as you're cruising along, you know that sinking feeling in the pit of your gut, just wondering, oh, how bad is the damage gonna be? But if you want to avoid that feeling altogether, then a hood protector is the way to go. Now, this Aeroskin unit might be one of the coolest ones out there because it looks just so right on the front end of your truck. Unlike a lot of other protectors, it features a really sleek, low-profile design that goes with the lines of the hood and matches your F150 perfectly. So it's not going to stick up, it's not going to impact visibility in any way, and it blends in really nicely with the styling of the truck. It also extends a bit onto the leading edge of the hood, as you can see here, so that means it's going to protect the area of your truck that is the most susceptible to rock chips and other debris. Now, this is made from a blend of injection molded ABS plastic and acrylic, so it's going to stand up to those rocks and other debris and bugs and dirt, anything that can be thrown at it. This is a really durable material, and as you can see, it does have some give to it. But that means it's not going to shatter or crack like something more brittle might, and it's also going to be able to withstand the elements. It's finished in this really nice matte black, so it's also going to match your other plastic trim that your truck might have, or just provide a nice contrast with the paint color if you've got color matched trim. So it's not see-through, it really just looks like an additional piece of trim that's supposed to be there, as opposed to looking like one of those more old school style hood protectors that kind of has that tinted plastic look up at the front. Now, as far as these sorts of things go, this one is a little bit more expensive than most, but it's not quite the top of the market. It's going to run you about $150. Still not bad in my opinion, considering how well this integrates the quality of the construction and the fact that getting your hood fixed or repainted is going to cost quite a bit more than that. Now, installation here is also really easy, coming in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. This is a purely peel and stick sort of setup, and this 3M double-sided tape is already on it when you pull it out of the box. So all you have to do is peel this off to mount it. Should only take you about 15 minutes or so to do it. Just make sure you get your hood cleaned and prepped well before you attempt to get it on. That way all sides of this stick really nice. And to walk you through that process right now, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers.
Today I'll be installing the Aeroskin Hood Protector in matte black on my 2019 F150. I'm going to do a quick test fit before I prep the surface with the provided alcohol wipes. It's a fairly easy installation, just using the 3M tape here. So we'll do a quick test fit, and then I will prepare the surface and install the hood protector. Included with the hood protector is a surface wipe. We're going to wipe the surface of the truck hood down and get it prepped so that we can stick the hood protector on the hood. Okay, we'll let that dry and then install the hood protector. Okay, with the surface prepped, I am ready to install the hood protector. I've pre-pulled off some of the tape already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle here and work my way out, and I'll pull back the tape as I'm ready to smooth it out and press it on. All right, now that I've stuck it on, I will pull off the protective layer and we'll be all set.
That's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the Aeroskin Hood Protector in matte black for 2015 to 2020 F-150s. As always, thank you so much for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.